Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki has dissolved the Edo State People's Democratic Party (PDP) Campaign Council for the September 19 governorship election, lauding the council's dedication to duty, which is said accounted for the election victory. Obaseki, who announced the action at a meeting with members of the State Campaign Council at Government House in Benin City, Edo State capital, on Monday, thanked the members for a job well done and described them as miracle workers. He said, "You are all miracle workers as far as this election is concerned. If you sit back and reflect on our journey so far, the time, resources, and the victory that was finally achieved, you will agree with me that all those who contributed to the achievement are all miracle workers. I joined the PDP less than 100 days ago, put together this team, and everyone went to work and got the result because we were all committed to our job. You moved around the 192 wards across the state, and I am not surprised at the result we have achieved. This meeting was organized first to thank you all for your support and to formally dissolve the campaign council now that we have gotten the victory in the just concluded governorship election in Edo State. I also urge you to try and document what happened because we have made history," Obaseki said. He urged leaders of the party at the district level to get reports on the outcome of the election, adding, "It is important because commitment was made and those commitments have to be enshrined in the policies in moving Edo State forward in the next 4 years." Obaseki added, "It is important we document what we have promised. Political parties help in driving policies of government, as the foundation of the party is at the ward levels. I urge the party leaders to participate at the ward level as well. We have so much to do between now and the day of inauguration. The country and the world is watching Edo State. They want to see how we will manage our victory and what we will do with it. The expectations of Edo people are at an all-time high and we have no choice but to deliver. What I can promise the people is that I will provide the leadership and I will be fair, objective, and transparent in dealing with issues." He urged the leaders of the party to join him building building the party at the state and at the regional level, in resuscitating the South-South Regional Integration Bloc of Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, Edo, and Delta State, which is BRACED Commission. The governor maintained that the resuscitation of the BRACED Commission will help the region wrestle the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) and bring more of the resources to ensure development of the South-South. Adding, "We have to take our fate in our hands in paying salaries without borrowing." The National Vice Chairman South-South of the PDP and Chairman of the State Campaign Council, Chief Dan Obey, thanked members of the council for the stamina displayed in navigating through the tough terrain of the 192 wards in the state, adding, we thank Edo people for the votes and the governor for the confidence in the council." Edo State Chairman of the PDP, Dr. Tony Aziegbemi, called on members of the party to be more united now, more than ever, urging members never to work on the downfall of others. I think congratulations to them. I think it's the best thing or is the normal thing to do. You dissolve the campaign council committee. I think that's the right thing to do. But even the way I was going through this, and I was even reflecting, even as he was telling them, he was urging the people to reflect on what happened, the journey from the beginning. And he said in less than 100 days before the election, he joined them. Everybody, people who were following were really following, and it was really a remarkable one. They have really made history. Himself has made history. And, congratulations to the PDP too. There is no way we are not going to be mentioning some other people in this whole thing. Because initially when the battle between Obaseki and Oshomole was going on, I was just like, what is PDP doing? What are they even doing? They were just quiet. These people, in fact, Oshomole, initially I didn't get it when people usually say, oh, Oshomole is working has been working for the for PDP before now. People were like, oh, does it mean Oshomole is, he's doing, he was a cross carpeting, or he was doing anti-party, whatever. Even during 2019 general elections, a lot of things that happened. People just like, Oshomole was working for PDP. And one would thought maybe he was doing it intentionally. No, because most of his actions led to the victory of PDP in most of the states that they never fought for. They never argued. They never did anything. They never struggled to get back the state. But Oshomole, with the character and everything, he just fell into the hands of PDP. And exactly the same way he did in Zamfara and other states, the same way he just brought again into his own house, his own home state. PDP in Edo State were just, they were just looking, all of them were just looking. I was just wondering that these people are not really serious. And I was just thinking that maybe they were just looking for a way that, everything will just yamutu, everything will just scatter. Then, and if in fact, those guys, they are something else. PDP, they are something else. And Osumole just fell into their hands. Immediately, they just screened the guy house. Piam, PDP. They were not even struggling. They were not struggling. They were not fighting for anything. You can imagine they've been out of power for more than 12 years. And Oshomole just brought it jejely and handed it over to them without stress, without struggle. You can imagine. Hey, people will be praying for such prayers, so that your blessings will just come and meet you where you are sitting jejely, just sitting down on your own. They will just come and carry your blessing and give it to you. And I pray the same for you. If you covet such, receive it. You will just sit down jejely, and somebody will just come and say, you might not even be thinking of that. Somebody will just come and just dash you, and you just like, you didn't ever struggle for this. That was exactly what happened to PDP, and kudos to them, because they really watched everything very well, and that's it. Who would have thought? Who would have thought that this kind of a thing would be happening now? Who would have thought that Obaseki would have won? Who would have thought that all Oshomole was saying then, they were not true, when he said, oh, this man, they have rejected him. They rejected him. He said this, they have rejected him, that he's an MOU governor. But at the end of the day, reverse was the case. And when we were seeing the crowd with Oshomole, you were just like, oh, wow. But the confidence that people had was that even if Obaseki failed, definitely he has been able to, made a point. He has made a statement by just not even checking out, that even if at all. But at the end of the day, and he just went, to the surprise of many, a lot of people were like, hey, Oshomole will deal with Obaseki. He doesn't know anything. You think he can just come and betray him like that? It's unfortunate. This life, with this Edo election, for those who are not going to be learning, that means you're not going to learn anything. One thing I have learned from this Edo election is that you just have to, don't underrate anybody. Don't look down on anybody. Don't just feel that, oh, hey, I'm there already. Who are these people? Forget them. What do they know? Which did they born this one? Don't do that, because you don't even know what could happen. You don't know what could happen. And if you are already in a high position, you just have to maintain it, because within a twinkle of an eye, it will just slip off your hand and somebody else will take over. The way the person must have gotten high, the person will just fall from that top hill and come down. You don't even know it. You just see yourself on the floor. So we just have to be careful. Whatever you are having at your hand, you just have to hold it. So guys, let's hear your opinion. Leave your comment below and let us know your thoughts on this. Thank you.